Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to do split screen in CapCut. So start by clicking new project and only select one video. Let's select this cat here, click add. And now the next step is to go down at the bottom menu and now click on overlay, which you find in the middle currently. Now click add overlay. And let's say I want to add this seal as the split screen. Now you can see you have two video tracks at the same time. So now to actually split the screen up, simply click on the cat video and now take two fingers on the big picture of the cat and simply minimize it. Now you can go up here and you can increase it until it fills out the edges like this. Here. Now click on the seal video and do the same thing. And simply size up or down until you're happy with the split. So I can click on the cat video again if I wanted to adjust that a little bit up or down. Let's say I wanted to have the entire face width, and the seal if I want it to be, I think this is good. And now when I click play, I'm just going to mute it in case of sound. Click play. You can see that there's two videos playing at the same time. If you don't have the option to split the screen up in this format, simply go down to the bottom and now go to aspect ratio. And now you can click on the little TikTok icon here. Mine's automatically that size because I added the cat video, but yours might have been looking like this for YouTube. So if you don't see this, simply click on the TikTok or whatever size you want. There's a few options here. And then once you're happy, simply click the tick mark and there you have it.